No end to the tussle between the BJP and the Shiv Sena in Maharashtra. The softening of the Shiv Sena stand and the repeated assertions by the BJP that talks between the two parties were heading in the right direction haven't stopped the Sena from hitting out at Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis in its mouthpiece Samna for his remarks on Vidarbha statehood. Its advice, instead of speaking of separate statehood, the BJP should concentrate on developing the region, reminding its former ally of the resounding mandate it got in Vidarbha. The editorial said the vote was in favor of development and not for separate statehood. On his first visit to Nagpur after becoming the Chief Minister, Devendra Fadnavis had said that the centre would create a separate Vidarbha at an appropriate time. Media reports suggest that Sena has issued an ultimatum to the BJP on the power-sharing deal, seeking the Deputy Chief Minister's post and several ministerial portfolios before the trust vote. The BJP seems unwilling to relent. For the record, both the parties are saying a decision will be taken soon.
जो भी निर्णय शिवसेना लेने जा रही है वो जल्दी ही ले जाएगी। मैं किसी अल्टीमेटम की बात नहीं करूंगा। शिवसेना पक्ष प्रमुख उद्धव ठाकरे जी जल्दी इस बारे में निर्णय लेंगे।
जो शिवसेना है उसके साथ भारतीय जनता पार्टी की बातचीत चल रही है, नेगोशिएशंस चल रहा है और परिणाम अच्छे रहेंगे। दोनों ही दल मिलके जिस प्रकार से आगे महाराष्ट्र की जनता के एस्पिरेशंस को पूरा करे, इस पर पार्टी काम कर रही है। सब कुछ सही होगा और आपको बताया जाएगा।
A 3-day special session of the Maharashtra Assembly beginning on the 10th of November will be the testing of waters for the Devendra Fadnavis government. The 41 legislator strong NCP declaring its unconditional outside support is a shot in the arm for the BJP. The Shiv Sena has more strength in the house. The question for the BJP is, would that help its first government in the state or not? Newsnight Desk, DD News.